Here are the parts you'll need for your giant LED lamp. You need the printed files from printables.com. Have a look for LED out on there. Right, fitting from Aliexpress. This one is a 2-watt one in warm white. You can get them in multicolour as well, I think. Bit of heat shrink tubing and 400mm copper pipe or plastic plumbing pipe 15mm. I've also got some chrome covers to go over them, which were $5 for the plastic chrome covers. You can get copper pipe which is chrome plated, but it's pretty expensive. I had this lying around anyway. Right, first thing we're going to do is unsolder the wire in here to get it through the pipe. Okay, just unscrew that. I think these were under $1 or a pound. These might even been 50p. Amazingly cheap, considering that's aluminum or aluminium. I don't know how they can do it for that price. It's unbelievable. Right, get a little bit of that. Right. Just to cover up the bottom of the pipe. I've already drilled a hole at the bottom of that. On the stand, you've got the wire coming out the side and then that in there. So you can mark that and drill it out, or just cut it with a grinder or file. A bit of that to go in there. I did this one at 200mm, was it? Right, take that. This one was 200mm and the short one is 160. Top there. Well, I think I'll do the long leg positive. And there. I need to open there. Should be enough. Right, solder that back on there. Right. That's on there. Pad, nice decam with them. At the top. There you go. Love it. Yeah, right, I'll cut these down, slip these on. You could leave that longer and have them both touching if you want. I think it looks quite cool, one hanging side view. There's some shots in the dark now. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.